Dikubur kebabnya. Lamphang ke yang dorba tawan ke jela utama Sangma ni kesengi ulapa Weng no naki kentian balabu Jingkynthoh ya ke jingkren jong unong elam ke liang persyak na keseng AITC Dr. Mukul Sangma ke berkeno ba Myntri Rangbah konrad ki Sangma udon ka Jingiadei ejan bad uwei naki senar nong kayi drugs barat ba na Mizoram. Namar ka liat persyak iki kendon jong ke yeng. Abashim bentah ke sengi belai jong ke jingshong dorba senrai usembut Myntri Rangbah uba preston tingsong ulawan ra ia ke point of order abai dei bat keni keman. Naga jubab Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong ba shim la keno hendai ulamaham yo Myntri Rangbah ban long uba husial bat ongru ba ke dei ke kamram jong ke office jong Myntri Rangbah ban kemi benya ia keni.
If it is not, how did you know that the person who was once upon a time associated with the Honorable Chief Minister just because of clicking a photo cannot be considered as a human being?
On the 23rd of April 2013, long time ago, and the person concerned happens to be associated with the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. That's why suggestion has been made. It's not an allegation. It's a submission urging the Chief Minister to be careful to dissociate himself from being associated with this kind of people.
Myntri Rangbah ke jelau konrad ki Sangma